Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share the recipe for a snack that is Ponion Bajji. Sounds new, right? Actually, I invented this dish. It is an upgraded version of bajji. I used both onion and potato to make this dish. That's why I named it so. Okay guys, come on, let's do Ponion Bajji together. Ingredients required: potato, onion, ginger, garlic, oil or ghee for frying, salt, chili powder, besan flour, rice flour and wheat flour. That's it. These all are the ingredients required to make this dish. First of all, we are going to prepare the stuff. For that, boil the potatoes. Don't forget to add salt while boiling the potatoes. After boiling, mash the potatoes. I have used 1½ cup mashed potatoes in this dish. Add 2 spoonfuls of rice flour, 1 spoon wheat flour, 1 spoon chili powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder, finely chopped garlic and ginger, half a teaspoon garlic and half a teaspoon ginger, and some salt, and full of finely chopped onion. Mix these things well. Now we are going to make batter for bajji. For that, add 1 cup besan flour, half cup rice flour, 1 spoon wheat flour, 1 spoon chili powder, and some salt. Mix these things well and then add water to make the batter. After making the batter, just leave the batter aside for some times. Now we are going to mold the stuff. Slice onion like this. Don't make thick slices. After getting onion rings, place the stuff at the center of the onion ring and mold like a disc. Place the onion ring over your hand or over a butter sheet to mold the disc. Now toast the disc in a pan to pack the mold tight. Toast in a medium flame because it has to be cooked well. When it is golden brown on both sides, you can take the disc out from the pan. Now comes the frying zone. Heat oil in the pan. When it is hot enough, just dip the disc in batter and fry in oil. Tada! Ponion Bajji is ready. Hope you all love this video. Thank you for watching. Kindly destroy the like, share and subscribe buttons. If you have any suggestion, kindly do comment. Thanks a lot for all your love and support. Thank you.